आज कलकत्ता प्रेस क्लब में सरोज गुप्ता कैंसर सेंटर एंड रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट की जानिब से एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का इनेकाद किया गया, जहां पर तफसील से बोन मैरो ट्रांसप्लांट और इस इंस्टीट्यूट के बारे में तफसील से बताया गया। इस इंस्टीट्यूट ने लगभग पूरे 75 साल को कवर किया है। जब इस कैंसर इंस्टीट्यूट की बुनियाद कलकत्ता के ठाकुरपुकुर में रखी गई थी, इस वक्त यहां आबादी बराए नाम थी, लेकिन आज यहां एक घनी आबादी बस्ती है। यहाँ गरीबों का भी इलाज होता है जो कैंसर में मुब्तला है। आइए इस कैंसर इंस्टीट्यूट के डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर अर्नब गुप्ता की बातों को सुनते हैं और समझने की कोशिश करते हैं।
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस एट कलकत्ता प्रेस क्लब, प्लीज क्लैरिफाई
The reason Dr. Saroj Gupta, set up this hospital thinking about the poor patients. Unfortunately, a lot of poor patients and even normal patients are going to different states to get their treatment. So people in West Bengal needs to know that these facilities are very much there in India itself, in West Bengal itself, in Kolkata itself, in our hospital also. I'm sure there are some more hospitals which are doing the same thing. So the main idea for doing this press conference is so that people get to know that these facilities are available in Calcutta in our hospital or other hospitals, so that they get the benefit. They don't spend all the money to go to some other place. And as you understand, cancer treatment is just not one visit to the hospital. You have to go there for regular checkup, for regular treatment. If there's any relapse, that has to be taken care of as well. So it's a long-term process, and that's how people should know that these facilities are there. Bone marrow transplant was never done before, maybe 10-15 years back, and this is probably the second center we started, and we are trying to extend our facilities to many more people. And money is not a big problem because we try to give as much subsidy as possible so that everybody can avail of this rare facility, the advanced treatment which is available.